Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I go from this to this in just a few quick steps. So first I'm going to use my e.l.f. eyebrow gel and a small angle brush of mine and dig into that gel to begin outlining my itty bitty hairs that you see on camera. And I'm just going to take some light strokes across the ends of them and create a curve arch towards the back, because as you can see, I don't really have any hair back there. So yeah, then I'm going to continue on with those light strokes at the top of my eyebrows, blending it in into my bottom arch. So you'll see that once I finish outlining, I'm just going to inspect it, make sure it's that arch that I want and that I like. And then I'm just going to dip into my gel again and fill in my eyebrows. So next up is Mr. Spoolie, and I'm just going to use him to brush up my hairs, but not only to brush up my hairs, but to get rid of some of that harsh um, gel that I put on my hand, because I got a little heavy-handed using the gel, so I use it just to kind of fade it out some and it doesn't look too dark. Then I'm using my concealer and a bigger angle brush and I'm just going to outline my eyebrows, but I'm not going to draw a line directly under my eyebrows. I draw maybe like a centimeter underneath, because that way when I brush it up, it doesn't leave like that harsh or too much of a concealer print underneath my eyebrows, because that's not cute and nobody wants that, because that would make it not look that natural, you know? So yeah, I just take it down some and then I bring it up towards my eyebrows and I just kind of fade it out, brush out as much of the concealer as I possibly can with my brush, and then once I finish with that, then I take that excess concealer that I have on my brush and just kind of fade out the front of my eyebrows to give it that gradient look. After that, I'm going to use a wet beauty blender and just blend out the concealer under my eyes to make it a little bit lighter, but it'll still highlight underneath your eyebrows. But after that, I'm all done and I'll start on my second eyebrow. So I'm going to speed up the video a little bit, okay?